Sonic still isn't in the middle for this episode, even though he's the main leader of Duty. Why did they put Eggman in the intro if they didn't include him in the episode? Every show has their own Battle of the Boy Bands episode, especially the new one, which I hate.
Breaking news! An epidemic is spreading across the globe. Beaver fever!
Convenient pause for people to step away from an art person cliche.
I'm colorfully describing the mania surrounding teen singing sensation, Justin Beaver.
Justin Beaver reference.
They're going gaga for this
Lady Gaga reference.
They just can't get enough of
Crazy for the age of Justin Bieber being chased by reporters.
And
that's what this world needs. Another cookie-cutter pop star force-fed to us by the man.
And the man is to you.
Thing is clearly just a marketing, possibly fall for it.
Well, duh.
When I listened to his first song,
Weird lips.
I wasn't sure if Justin was actually talking about me. But then his next song was titled, Yes, I'm Actually
Bad song
Talking About
titles,
You,
which
and
bring
I
us to a
was
bonus
totally
round.
freaked out.
How can you allow yourself to become a part of the corporate fat cats?
Before you, yes, I'm actually talking about you, and I, totally...
It's called Every Single Girl I've Ever Met.
But it's true!
Just listen to one track. I don't want to overhype it. But he's the greatest entertainer who ever lived!
Really, nigga?
Well, someone needs a doctor.
I finally have a soundtrack for my nightmares.
Define nightmare.
Love it!
I knew I...
We're through the looking glass here, people. White is black, and black is white.
Six, we still on for rock climbing tomorrow?
Sure. Whatever.
Styx is crazier in this episode than Sonic and Designated Heroes, which brings us to another bonus round.
That's what this world needs. Another cookie-cutter pop star force-fed to us by the man.
Six, we still on for rock climbing tomorrow?
Sure. Whatever.
Happened in here.
I turned my burrow into a totes adorbs tribute to Justin. It's called Every Single Girl I've Ever Met.
But it's true!
Let's get to that concert so we can spend our life savings on Justin Beaver merchandise!
He's talking about me! In the face! What should we wear?
I was thinking about wearing the one outfit that I own.
Only Amy's can wear the outfit, so that means Styx will be naked.
Fangirling out, but
your favorite global pop phenomenon, Justin.
I hope the first person who makes a YTP of this will have John Cena reference, which unfortunately is a -1.
You're the only fan I care about.
Line repetition.
You're the only fan I care about.
Worry, I got this.
Knuckles pull the trumpet out the butt. Also, this trumpet music is worse than Justin Bieber's music.
We'll form our very own boy band.
Did you really have to bring us all the way down here to finish that sentence?
A boy
Why? Is it illegal?
We'll lose our street cred. What about our machismo? Cheesemo.
Food addiction.
But if we want to find out what's man up.
And by man up, you mean rehearse a choreographed dance routine and matching sequined outfits?
Exactly.
False definition of man up.
That was way easier than I thought.
Now we just have to pick a name.
Well, we've still got a little montage time left.
Convenient time to say montage.
Knuckles, stop tearing pages off that calendar.
Okay.
Talk
fine.
about
We're supposed to be
fake
thinking of
special
band
effects.
names.
I was saving this name for if I ever formed a band, but how about Duditude?
That's too awesome.
Quite a good
sounding.
way
It needs to be something
to
soft
put
and
dudes
inoffensive.
with
Something
tude
like
in a
Boat
shortcut.
Express?
ew. It's perfect.
What?
Music. I guess this is the end of Dreamboat Express.
Dreamboat Express. With a name like that, you've got to be professionals. Come on
This
in.
is why no one judges books by their
There
cover.
he is. Now to find out.
He wouldn't conveniently reveal his evil scheme the exact moment we happen to be listening.
Shifting gears completely, how's our evil scheme coming along? Looking good.
Convenient
Tonight, Justin will
revealing
debut
of an
his
evil
new
scheme
single,
in
which
front
is
of the main
50%
hero's
more
cliche.
mind control.
Explains it.
Intruders! Get them!
Convenient chase scene. You can just use your speed to run away. 1, 2, 3. Whoop!
Mind us too. He even wrote a song only about me. It's called Every Single Girl I've Ever Met.
But it's
Seriously,
true.
he said
Justin's
only about
producer
you.
conveniently
Every
revealed
single
the whole
girl he's ever
scheme
met.
right in front
That
of
includes
us.
Amy.
Talk about lazy
Please.
writing.
Trust us, not under mind control. Let's get to that concert so we can spend our life savings on Justin Beaver merchandise.
The mind control is embedded in Justin's music track. There must be an opposite sound frequency that could counter it. We just need to find it. Thus, the measurometer.
Lazy
Fun to bring
invention
people
names
a
just
long way
like
to finish a
English names.
sentence, isn't it?
It really is.
Finally, Tails changed his mind. -1.
Semi-aquatic road. Hey, you there!
Huh?
The show's starting. The opening act needs to be up on that stage.
Whistling for fun.
Man, I'm good at my job.
You already judged the books by
Has
their
the measurometer
cover.
discovered the counter frequency?
Sonic and Gang saying the obvious. Bonus round number 3.
You should expect the expected and nothing more. Cause you've all heard this song and dance before. Our moves are stale, our harmonies bland. Cause we're just another generic boy band. Yo, 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 we're bringing it weak and we're bringing it lame. Whatever we can do to keep it all the same. We're focused, tested, and radio friendly.
The only thing that matters is that we stay trendy.
You should expect the expected and nothing more. Cause you've all heard this song and dance before. Our phony baloney image is planned. Cause we're just another generic boy band. Dude-it-too! You thought we'd never beat the fever, but now we're here to make you believers. Sonic and Crew, rockin' with the chemistry. Crummy boy band music is the enemy. We're here, we're doing it too. And though you may find this crude and rude, we have to conclude you'll come unglued now that you've heard us. Do it too. Drop that generic.
The LEDs change and the instruments are magically now in their hands. He only sings 2 lines and then speaks the rest of it. Guitar music against mind control.
What happened? Where are we?
With that tone, looks like she has amnesia.
That sweet guitar.
Your power rock ballad is
Self-talk.
the evil spell of mind control.
We're here, we're doing it.
We're here with Blank and Rock Song.
This crude and rude, we have to conclude you'll come unglued.
Couldn't you just have the stock way of using DE words instead of having to change one to an ED?
Possibly fall for it.
Isn't Justin great? When I listened to his first song, Girl, I Like You, I wasn't sure if Justin was actually talking about me. But then his next song was titled, Yes, I'm Actually Talking About You, and I, totally freaked out. Just listen to one track. I don't want to overhype it, but he's the greatest entertainer who ever lived!
Bitch!
I knew I could rely on Styx to be the voice of reason. Styx! Styx! You are not gonna believe it. Justin Beaver is in town, and he's doing a signing at the music shop right now. And he'll be performing a concert at Village Center this weekend.
You really need to stop doing that.
What should we wear?
I was thinking about wearing the one outfit that I own.
Me too!
Mind control. That's preposterous. Justin would never do that. He and I have a special bond. Trust us, guys. We're not under mind control. Let's get to that concert so we can spend our life savings on Justin Beaver merchandise.
He's talking about me! In the face!